Okay, so we finally got the window kit installed. Got the wing window delete kit put in, and it's pretty nice. I actually like it. Some people don't, but I like it. Just one big open window. They look a lot better when the windows are tinted. Look at that bad son of a bitch. God, I love that motor. But anyway, show you how it works. I'm putting the old weather strip back in here because with this kit, the door panel and the new seal plays a big role in how this window goes up and down and stays in the track. Look at that. Not too bad. When the door panel gets on, it'll stay on track. It won't try to rub the inside and skip like you saw it. But you know what? Hey, I made it work. I was told from a few people, do not do it. Get your money back because it will not work and you won't be able to get it to work. Sorry to disappoint because it works. Both sides.